So I'm in Florida. I'm at the mall minding my own business. I'm just coming off of this massive binge buying of Middle Eastern fragrances. So I'm at the mall and I'm trying my best to avoid buying any type of perfume. And you know how they have the little kiosks in the middle of the aisles at the mall and they're trying to get you to smell stuff? Well, child, the girl got me. She got me with the Dubai, you know, like she made it seem as if, you know, we have the authentic Dubai perfumes, you know. And so I'm like, well, you mean to tell me Lattafa and Paris Corner and Afnan and they're not authentic? Oh yeah, they are, but ours are. She made it seem like theirs was so much better. But anyway, I have not seen much online about this brand at all. It's called Levantier Dubai, and maybe there is some content on TikTok and Instagram. I mostly watch YouTube. I'm trying to get into TikTok and Instagram because I want to start posting on those platforms. And so, but on YouTube, I was not able to find anything about this brand. So Levantier Dubai, and this is the scent Kiki. And guys, it smells so good. Since I've been spending all of this money on Middle Eastern fragrances, I'm like, okay, so I'm in my under $50 perfume era for now. Okay, that's where I am. But then this girl, you know, she got me. That's all I'm gonna say. But this is what the box looks like, and I haven't smelled this since I purchased it, so I'm definitely wanting to get my nose on it again. And this is what she looks like. Let me stop personifying this perfume because I hate when people do that. This is what it looks like. It's a heavy bottle, okay? I love the simple sophistication of the bottle. It's not overly done, you know, it's because, let's face it, Lattafa can be over the top, okay, in their packaging. But this is just classy, simple. I love the yellow juice. This I can hold the bottle by the top because it fits snug, it's tight. I mean, you like have to like really tug on it to get it off, even though to be safe I would still grab it by the body and not the top. But yeah, oh my goodness, I haven't smelled this since I smelled it in the store. And this is what happened. I smelled it, I liked it, okay, I really did, but I didn't purchase it right away. I told the girl, well, let me just spray some on my body. I sprayed some on my arm and a little bit on my body, which probably wasn't the best thing to do because I think I was actually wearing perfume on this part of my body. But my hand area was pretty clean because I had washed my hands after using the bathroom. Anyway, so I sprayed some. And as I was walking the mall, I was... And I'm like, oh, I gotta have it. It was a couple of them that I wanted, okay? But I controlled myself. I showed some self-control and I didn't buy but one. And let's see if it smells like I remember it smelling. Okay, all right, let's see here. And again, oh, immediately I smell the freshness. Smells fresh, like you just got finished bathing in a bubble, a citrusy, fruity, lemony bubble bath with a touch of sweetness, a hint of sweetness, but not too much. What are the notes? Let's see what the notes are. Let me tell y'all something. The notes of this perfume must be under the witness protection program with the CIA, because baby, these notes are nowhere to be found, okay? I checked their website. Fragrantica doesn't have it. I checked Instagram. Nothing. Like, why is nobody talking about these fragrances? Is it new? Is it that new? Okay, I guess so. Oh, it smells so good. It's a zesty, sweet, fruity bubble bath. Maybe with a little bit of a sugar scrub, because it's got a little bit of sweetness in it. I don't know what's in it, but I know I love what's in it. This is so good. And I remember spraying it on my arm, and the longer it sat on my arm, the more I liked it. I still smell the date caramel on this arm. So let me spray a little bit of it, because we're not wasting this on paper. No, we're not wasting this one on paper. We're going to spray this one on my hand. And I do think that this one would get better with time, because I like the zestiness. I like those citrusy notes, and I like how they're coming across. But again, think zesty bubble bath with a sugar scrub. So I feel like the longer this sit, the sweeter it would get. It's almost given a little bit of Victoria by Lattafa. I mean, it's low-key given Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana, but a softer, sweeter, more sophisticated version of that, in my opinion. This is good. I love it. I love it. Moral of the story: if you are a fragrance lover and someone from Levantier stops you in the middle of the aisle while you're, walking in the mall, go ahead, take a few minutes, stop, put your nose on some of the perfumes that they have, because this one was not the only one that I really enjoyed. There were a few of them that I really liked. This one I felt was a little bit different from what I already owned, and so that's why I went with this one. I feel like this one would give me the perfect little pick-me-up in the morning for work, like after I get out of the shower, and love. It's a love, okay? And this wore, like, I sprayed it on me while at the mall that night. Like, I can still smell it on my arm as well as my clothes. So I remember it wearing for some hours, at least 6 or 7 hours, okay? Now, the girl did tell me that these are supposed to wear for at least 12 hours. So this is all I purchased from Levantier Dubai, and I can't wait to try more Dubai fragrances, but I'm going to show some self-control and discipline and wait until my no-buy has ended before I dive deeper into the Dubai perfumes. But for now, get your nose on it if you can. If you do, I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have found this video helpful, because I have not seen, I've just not seen much about this online, Hey, direct me to some videos if you have. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. It will really help me. I am trying to grow my channel. I am trying to reach the 4,000 watch hours this year, as well as increase my subscribers if at all possible. I am trusting God that you will help me do that. I appreciate you watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've tried anything from this brand. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. As always, remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made by God, and He loves you, and I'll see you in the next video.